famous last words. Should be good. What's up everyone? So today we are doing a noise generator delete. We have the CTS Turbo kit to do that. I can't really do an unboxing like I said in the last video. It came in a box, but it came with like 4 or 5 other things in that box. But it does come in its own bag, and it's got all the hardware in here. It has the silicone couplers and the kind of intermediate tube itself, which I'll pull out and show you right now. So this tube does come with a bung already in there for if you do methanol injection. It's all ready to go. I have tightened it down. It has some like thread locker on it, or thread tape I guess, but it is tightened down. I did that already, so it's nice and flush on the inside there so that it's ready to install right now. Show you guys what we are getting rid of today. So goes straight down there and to the throttle body. It also has that tube that goes across and pumps noise into the cabin of the vehicle, which is really stupid. So we're gonna get rid of all of that and just streamline it with a pipe that goes straight into the throttle body. So we do have to remove the CTS Turbo intake and the lower factory intake box to get those out of the way so we can actually see everything and get access to the fasteners that are down there. Now we're at this point. The next steps, we need to disconnect that tube from the airbox. You should be able to just rotate it out of the airbox here. If not, I use a flathead to just get in here and just separate, push those down and separate these. On this side, should be a retainer right there, which I have, but it's not in right now, obviously. It's just missing. But there's a retainer right there, which you remove that. I believe it's the same Torx as these 4 at the front here, which is, if it'll focus on it, T25. So that is what you need to remove the retainer that's down there. After you have that retainer removed, it does have 3 connection points that are just kind of rubber grommets. So you'll just grab onto the box and gently pull it upwards. Now the airbox is out of the way. So this is the noise generator that we're getting rid of. I think it's stupid. We need to remove that clamp. Then we have a retainer, like a sort of like a giant C-clip, I guess. So just in here, we'll put a flathead in there, just pry outward, and that'll come out of there, and that will remove this top section. And then we'll be able to get to some of these band clamps that are down there, get those all removed, and we'll be able to slip that out of there. It's already not really detached right there. And if yours is bolted down properly, yours will be underneath this bolt here, which mine is not, but we'll probably remove that while we're here anyway, get it out of the way. Just an FYI for you guys, all of these factory band clamps are 9/32. Now that we have everything cleared out of the way here, I've got this piece kind of all put together, obviously not clamped down, but I will probably put on these lower clamps because it's such a pain to get to down there. And we do have the factory one to compare those to. So we've matched it really closely on both angles and how tall it is. So we should be all right. you guys saw, I did have to actually take that back apart. I tried to put it all in one, but it didn't want to fit. There's just not enough space here. So I got it all pulled apart, got it all put back in, tightened all the clamps back down. So that's all buttoned up. Now we got to put the air intake back in, finish this up. Oh. That's the noise generator delete all installed, and the only thing I would say about it is I do wish that it was branded right here. Wish it had that CTS Turbo logo on the top. Other than that, pretty happy with the product. It was a little bit hard to put in, but that's not anything about the product itself. It's just because you're just limited on space inside a Mini's engine compartment. Hopefully it's helpful for any of you guys that are installing your own. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. We will see you guys very soon.